What's up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to change the image size and the size of an image in Photoshop. Alright, so import whatever picture you want to change the size of into Photoshop. Then click on Image. And then this is important, the difference between the image size and the canvas size. Alright, if you change the image size, let's go to 1280 by 720. If you change the image size, it changes the entire thing and scales it down. Now let's undo that. Now if you were to change the canvas size, it doesn't scale very well. See, it doesn't scale it down. It just cuts off everything. Alright, so if you're going to change the size of an image in Photoshop, make sure that you change the image size. And also, if you keep trying to change the image size and you don't know why it's like automatically changing the height, or if you're changing the height, it's automatically changing the width, click on this little lock, I guess. I don't know exactly what to call it, but if you click on that, then it'll allow you to change each of them manually. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you learned something, like. If you didn't, dislike, comment, tell me what I can do better, and subscribe. Bye.